Hey guys, welcome back. This will be the second video that's going to take you through the step-by-step process on how to register for JAMB, right? And I'm going to dive right straight into it. So I would preferably use a keynote so I can make it very, very easy to understand. Now, the first thing you want to do as regards this particular step is you have to get your NIN, right? And talking about getting your NIN, aside the fact that you have gotten the digit number, also have to understand that those details in your NIN must be very, very correct and they must be the same thing what you have in your home level results, most important, right? Now, that simply means if your name is Akonji Sheyi, you have in your NIN, it must be Akonji Sheyi, you have also in your home level. If you're having an inconsistent name, JAMB has preformed go ahead to go do the change, to go do the edit. Now, there's a lot of issues around NIN, and I'm going to quickly address as many as I can remember, and as many as most students have asked me, even on TikTok and even in my personal DM, right? Now, for some of us that are just registering for JAMB, we might not have this issue with NIN if your NIN is perfectly correct. But for some of us that have done JAMB before, you have made previous mistakes in your NIN registration and it's seeming like it's affecting you at the moment because you cannot even change it on JAMB. And consider the fact that you cannot change your profile code. I'm going to get to that. For those that have not registered for JAMB before, you might not really know what profile code is. But talking to those that have done this before, so you are not changing profile code. It's the same profile code which will carry the same details that you have. Now, if you are unable to change those details on JAMB, well, the truth is, if you can have your way around getting another NIN that carries the correct details of yours and regenerating your profile code with the new NIN, it's going to be better for you, right? Well, I know the rules of NIN, MC, and POM states that you cannot generate another NIN once you have gotten it. Honestly, some students are finding their way around doing this, and I honestly don't know how to go about it. So, if you can also go that route, good for you so that you can have a fresh NIN, use the NIN to regenerate the profile code to avoid the back and forth of you going to JAMB to now start changing it and you will not eventually be able to change it, right? So you can try to fix that, change it on NIN and um, um, try to change it on JAMB so that I can have it reflect in JAMB rather. Now, so for those that have gotten their NIN, all you need to do to get to go to the next stage is to get your profile code. And how do you get your profile code? You'll be sending NIN space, you leave space, then you type your NIN number, which I think is only 11 digits. Then you send it. Don't type send it to. I'm just typing this right. So you send it to 55019 or 6601. Right? So once you're able to do this, you will get your profile code. Right? Now, to the third step. Once you get your profile code, you need what we call ePIN, or let me say JAMB ePIN. Right? Now, JAMB ePIN is the PIN that you need for registration, and this typically used to be some combination of digits number, right? And this you have to buy. That is what you're actually buying from JAMB, right? Now, when you are buying this particular PIN, it actually comes with a lot of package. In the sense that indirectly as well, you are paying for your JAMB registration. Indirectly as well, you are paying for the JAMB literature, right? So immediately you are paying to get the pin, you are paying for all of these things which you want to get immediately so registration in the JAMB Center right? So now once you make payments for this JAMB, you will be given a digital number, which is what is needed for registration. Now, let me explain how to get the pin. Now, JAMB has made the pin easily accessible in the sense that there are a lot of vendors platforms where you can get your pin. As far as I'm concerned, at the moment I'm talking to you, you can get your pin from the bank, get your pin from some platforms, whatever, and you can also get your pin from Fullback. Fullback can actually get your pin for the same price JAMB definitely sell the from the VPN. So when I'm doing this video, I don't know how much JAMB is spending for it, but then once the registration starts, the generation starts. So all you just need is pay generating before you send your email and recommend the closest CBD center to go do the registration, right? Easy, easy, no stress. Instead of you going to CBD center to start queuing, using all those crowd to get in, you would have gotten your ePIN from Fullback. All you just need to do is just to take your ePIN and the template will surely be sending to you as well after the ePIN has been generated. Take it to the CBD center. You go to the exam registration. As easy as that. So once you have gotten your ePIN, next thing is to visit the closest center to you. And once you're able to visit the closest center to you, you will be um, you will be able to do your registration. And of course, CBD center is what I stated, not cafe. Cafe does not have capacity to do JAMB registration. And how do you know you are doing your JAMB registration? You will be captured, captured. Your fingerprint will be captured, your 10 fingerprint will be captured, and your face is going to be captured. So once that is successfully done, you will be given an evidence of successful registration, which is a slip. So once they give you that slip to show that yes, you are finally done your registration. Not only that, you will also be getting the Lekki headmaster level. If that is the same level that you use for success, which I think it is, you'll be getting that level uh, you're getting that level in addition with your registration slip to prove you have successfully done your registration. I hope this video helps a lot. If it does, you want to like and subscribe to the Fullback YouTube channel, right? And if perhaps you are not so clear about all of these things, you can simply send us a DM. I'm really glad to guide you the right way. There's no more in this guide. It's going to change the next